Hi, before I start, here is me in a voiceover telling you कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। 50,000 हो गए तो मजे आ जाएंगे। बेल का बटन दबा देना और भी बेहतर। सारे रिव्यूज की खबर आती रहेगी।
A larger-than-life version of an already pretty giant global movie star, built and destroyed and built again within 1 hour 46 minutes, plus action, thriller, international locations, comedy. Quite a movie this is. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's movie review, we are talking about the Nicolas Cage starrer, hilariously titled The Unbearable Weight of Massive Talent, now in movie theaters. Nick Cage plays himself in this ridiculous film. Mane, he is an aging movie star, close to being irrelevant because his inner voice won't let him accept that the world might have moved on to different things.
What's the worry here, Nick? You've lost some of your talent as an actor?
No.
He's a narcissist who is his own biggest cheerleader. He's forced to accept a birthday party invite at one point because he needs those $1 million. Except when he gets to Mallorca, the party is more than what meets the eye. An eccentric billionaire with a movie screenplay is perhaps the face of a giant drug cartel. So will Nick be able to escape? Or finally will he get the movie he's been waiting for his whole life? Self-awareness is a wonderful thing, friends. Especially when demonstrated by people far removed from realities of everyday life. A drunk Nick Cage hallucinates a younger version of himself, reminding the middle-aged Nick Cage that he's Nick fucking Cage, a movie star, not an actor, and then he proceeds to make out with himself. Writer-director Tom Gormican is presenting us with an insight into the borderline split personality disorder the famous perhaps deal with without self-awareness. A part of them is aware that they are becoming increasingly unimportant, but yet they have to convince themselves that glory is not lost yet. Because it's too easy for them to fall into despair or phir to sab khatam. Like a shark, they must keep swimming even when sleeping. So movie star Nick Cage has to pride himself on things like hitting the high note of a song, playing in his car, living in a hotel, ignoring his mountain debt. But also, he's chasing a filmmaker to cast him in a movie about power struggle and the fight for relevance. He's too smart to not know how things are changing around him, but he's also too Nick Cage to surrender to it. So this is not new territory being explored movie-wise. The man behind the movie star, and if they stand up to the myth around them. Recently, it was brought to screen so wonderfully by Vikramaditya Motwane in AK vs. AK, a film with a completely different tone and style, but many similarities with The Unbearable Weight of Massive Talent. There's an aging action movie star forced to confront his norminess when his family is in danger, all the while a movie is being written parallelly. Tom Gormican continuously references the very movie Nick Cage and Pedro Pascal are in as the screenplay unfolds, going as far as talking about the third act right before the third act begins. It's weird, it's amusing, it's written very cleverly. All of it is stemming from a pure love for filmmaking. Bending rules, subverting genres, going off on a tangent, but coming back to the emotion at the center of it all. The magic of cinema and the power of storytelling. Putting the motion in motion picture. Many scenes in this film see movement, action, walking, running, fighting, giving the film continuous pace. It's easy to trot along with it. Pedro Pascal is Harvey, the billionaire slash Nick Cage superfan slash screenwriter slash potential mafioso. At one point, his cousin calls him Harvey Ford Coppola, which is another tie-in to Nick Cage's real life, who's Francis Ford Coppola's nephew. Harvey's life is stranger than fiction and seamlessly blends into this weird movie the real Nick Cage is now a part of. Pedro Pascal is having so much fun with this. A world where he is the stranger जिसके बारे में धीरे-धीरे we are finding out. क्योंकि Nick Cage the movie star उसके around तो bubble burst हो गया है within the first few sequences of the film और उसके बारे में you know that second layer है ही नहीं narcissism के नीचे कुछ खास. Now Harvey's life is the movie. He's the mysterious main character, the star in a castle on an island. Movies and shows with subjects that focus on primarily breaking down the very universe they exist in is a favorite genre of mine. This one talks about movie making. The Boys on Amazon Prime, which I keep talking about a lot, उसका नया season भी आने वाला है. That talks about manufacturing superheroes for capitalism. And ये नया भी नहीं है कोई, you know, Truman Show did this incredibly way back when. Shah Rukh Khan starrer fan even made a solid attempt at it. Cutting larger than life figures down to size is always enjoyable to watch if done kindly with the right intention and craft. The Unbearable Weight of Massive Talent doesn't go quite all the way there. It swims around in meta waters for a long time, but it heads back home a little too safely, never fully dismantling the illusion of a movie star, never fully really driving home the vacuousness of it all. But watch this movie in theaters for a fantastic Nick Cage performance, Pedro Pascal enjoying himself as much as international locations would let him. Tiffany Haddish doesn't have a whole lot to do sadly, but she's looking amazing, so वो भी सही है. Now for relation में recommendation बड़े दिनों के बाद Matt LeBlanc, who you know as Joey from Friends, won his first and only Golden Globe Award not for Friends but for a show called Episodes, where he played a fictional version of himself, a TV star who is struggling to learn to work with new people on a new sitcom after the failure of his show Joey. There are 5 seasons spread out over roughly 40 episodes. It's a really fun, warm, happy British-American show. Must watch if you can find it online somewhere. This week we're also talking about Mrinal Thakur and Shahid Kapoor starrer Jersey. Subscribe करो channel को तो करती हूँ उसका भी review.